Hey guys, welcome back to Stir the Pot. Today we'll be doing a very simple triple threat chocolate cake. Please subscribe to help us hit the YouTube algorithms. So let's get started. We have here 1 stick of melted butter. And the ingredients for this is right here on the table, with the exception of the ganache that I'll bring in after the cake bags. So we'll take the cake mix. Super easy. No one has to know that you used a cake mix unless you want to tell them. 3 eggs beaten. Pour that right in there. 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can use any type of flavoring in this that you guys like. Almond would be good, or whatever. We're using cinnamon. Okay, and we have 1 cup of milk. We're using 2%. That's what I had in the house. You can use whole milk if you would like. And now we're going to stir the pot. Okay guys, that is all mixed up. So now we're going to go with the chocolate chips. We'll add 1 cup. We're using semi-sweet chocolate chips. These was a little bit over a cup, but you guys know I love chocolate. And we're going to fold the chocolate chips in. Oops. By using your butter and your milk and your eggs, well, of course, the box is going to call for eggs anyway, you're going to really be amping up your cake. It will not taste like a boxed cake. And as I said, that can be between you and your oven. Okay, we need 1 prepared bundt pan. I did this one with the pan for bacon. And you're just going to pour this in. Okay, so we've got it in the pan, and you'll want to smooth it out. You guys that have watched me in my previous videos, you know that I shake mine out. You can use your spatula to smooth it. This is going to go into an oven preheated at 350 on the middle rack for 40 minutes. Putting it on this cookie sheet to keep from having a mess in my oven, which I don't think I'm going to with this one, but we'll just be safe. Okay, we're at 350 and we're going to do 40 minutes. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, it is ready. Or we hope it's ready. We're going to check it. Again, this has been in the oven for 40 minutes. And I would say she's ready. So we're going to put this over to cool for 15 minutes before we turn it out on a wire rack to cool. Okay, guys, it's been about 15 minutes, and we're going to turn this out on a wire rack, and we'll let it rest for another 20 minutes till it's cool, and then we're going to come back, and we will do the third part of this triple threat chocolate cake. So y'all got your fingers crossed for me? Voila! Turned out beautiful. We'll be right back in about 20 minutes and we'll do that third part of this triple threat chocolate cake. Okay, guys, our cake is cold. So I'm going to move this over to my cake plate to put the third part of our triple threat. Say that 3 times fast. Topping on it. So our topping is a half a cup of heavy whipping cream that I have warmed on the stove and 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet minis. Using minis because they melt a little bit quicker. So you just want to warm your milk. You do not want to boil it. And that is warmed. So we're just going to stir this. Okay, guys, we have our ganache mixed up, and I'm going to pour this over the bundt cake. I did put some parchment paper down around my cake just to catch anything that falls down, and I'll have a clean plate. Now, this recipe, after you put the ganache on, depending on if you have like a special occasion, you could top this with nuts or sprinkles or toasted coconut. The sky's the limit with this one. You can do what you want to with it. So there you have it. Triple threat chocolate cake. Smells delicious. I'm going to take my paper out right now so that I'll have that clean plate that I'm looking for. Almost clean, guys. Look how moist. Those chocolate chips do a number on the inside of that cake. Look at that. Mm, that is delicious. Triple threat chocolate cake. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, stir the pot.